Hi again everyone, welcome to this week's weekly update where I want to talk to you about quick release couplings or couplings in general available from the Flowmax catalogue or flowmax.ie. So in section 1 of the Flowmax catalogue you'll see a vast range of quick release couplings, so equivalents to your Hansen couplings, maybe your Arrow couplings, your Prevost couplings, or maybe even Festo couplings. So we have again a full range available from stock, from your standard Euro coupling, very popular Euro coupling in brass or nickel plated brass, whether that's a 26 series or a 25 series, right through to your very popular PCL couplings. So you see a lot of these in the likes of forecourts or on ring mains around the factory. So your standard PCL right up to your 60 and 100 series PCL high flow couplings. I have mould couplings, so for your mould machines for hot and cold water, we do a full range of mould couplings, and also stainless steel quick release couplings. So a lot of the food industry or food applications, you've got a conventional, maybe brass, we've seen it, brass quick release couplings, or nickel plated brass quick release couplings. But they have a standard steel spring and rubber seal inside, and what happens because of the washdown, the spring rusts or the seal deteriorates. So we do a stainless steel quick release coupling with a Viton seal, again available from stock. The next step from that then, with your conventional coupling, if you have 7 bar, so you've got your coupling screwed into the wall, into your ring mains, if you've got 7 bar here and I want to release the plug, you'll always get that dart of air. So that dart of air where the coupling plug, 7 bar behind it, it shoots out. So depending on what level it is, maybe it's head level, there's a risk, there's always a risk, and with health and safety gone mad now, and rightly so, that with 7 bar behind it, there's nothing to stop really if you haven't got it held properly. There's nothing to stop that shooting out, possibly hitting somebody on the head, eye, or whatever. So the next level then is the safety quick release couplings. So in the Flowmax catalogue you'll see a 2-action one where you pull back the sleeve. So I have the coupling plug inside, so you pull back the sleeve, nothing happens but the air vents. So the second action then is to pull the sleeve forward and the adapter then just drops out. At that stage all the air is vented, so I'm not getting that blast, that sudden blast. In addition to the Flowmax catalogue, because we're always adding new products to the range, we have what's called a button. So rather than the forward and back to release, we just have a button. So if I take a standard quick release coupling plug like this here, so you don't have to change out your coupling plugs with maybe your hose on the end, but just unscrew the coupling itself from your ring main or the wall. So you push in your standard coupling plug, so the first action, the air vents, nothing happens, the adapter stays in there. But the second action then, the second push, the adapter then just drops out. So a safety coupling. Press once, air vents, press again, and then it's released. So section 1 of the Flowmax catalogue, we've got brass, we've got nickel plated brass, we've got your camlock couplings, very popular camlock couplings in aluminium, polypropylene, stainless steel. We've got mould couplings, we've got high flow couplings, we've got water couplings, we've got your PCLs, we have your Euros, a complete vast range of quick release couplings. Section 1 of the Flowmax catalogue, flowmax.ie, or simply ring the sales team on 01 4568 111. Thank you.